I'm back with a video. I'm back with another video. I'm back with a video. And I'm D.
And I'm D.
And we're
we're
the
the
Johnsons.
Hope everybody had a good day today. We for sure had a nice day today.
We had a good day today. And today we have Midway. I know everybody know about Midway. They have great wings. We were supposed to go, chose to go.
But there was closed, unfortunately.
I think due to the weather.
Due to the bad weather we got
so
today.
We didn't want to go too far, so we went over to Midway.
We was going to try Chipotle. Chipotle, but that was too far to go. So
yeah, and the weather was bad.
It was bad, so we went to Midway.
And we got their fried wings, their sweet and sour wings, and then we got steak subs. We eat there quite often, so it's nothing new.
Steak.
And I'm sure
they
you
give
guys.
you a lot of meat.
Yeah,
and
they
subs
do.
are good.
Their subs are really good. So we're gonna start eating. Grab a wing. The wings are nice. Got a little blue cheese over here. I did forget my hot sauce, but it's okay. I got my blue cheese
sauce.
Oh yeah. We had a good day today.
We had to get up early this morning. The grandson had a basketball game at 10. We had to go to McChesney.
And they won. The orange team.
It was fun watching little kids play ball.
It is.
We haven't did this in a while since our kids got grown now. Now we're taking the grandson.
Now we're taking the grandkids to games and practice. But that's what says young. The grandkids.
I guess little grandparents.
So they say.
I like the sassy sauce.
Yeah, the sassy sauce is good too. I like the fried. Fried's not. Fried's good too.
Yeah.
I took him couponing with me today. This is the first time going couponing. And he had a fit. You know, we gotta walk up and down the aisles to see what the best deal is.
You talking about bored?
He said he was bored.
I was so bored. Up and down, around. One thing I give her, she know how to save money. Got a lot of stuff. Backseat of my car was full.
Oh yeah. Especially because we went to Family Dollar and we went to Dollar General. And on Saturdays, Dollar General has a 5 off of 25. So you spend 25, you get $5. Plus you get coupons and everything. The digital coupons. And then by the time you end up with the digital coupons and everything, you end up paying like $8. And you got toilet paper for the house, tissue, paper towels, deodorant. I got lotion. And it all was like $8. I got a haul I'm going to do that we got from the grocery store. I think we end up spending almost like $50. And I think it came out to like $20 or something like that. Even though I went over. I didn't want to spend that much, but all the stuff they had a good sale on, so.
And she got mad stuff in the laundry room on the shelf. And I go, Darlene, and there's stuff in my trunk. Been there for a couple weeks. Between her car and my car. And stuff in the living room and in the kitchen. We got so much stuff.
Yeah.
We even give the kids some stuff when they need something.
Oh, yeah. If they need
I can't complain.
Toilet paper, laundry detergent, dishwashing liquid, I got it all. I'd be like, go downstairs. Toothpaste.
I'm going to start charging them. I'll give them a little discount.
People really got to get into couponing. Because you really do save a lot.
She drew that coupon.
It takes time for you to get it. But once you get it, save money.
And of course.
Oh, that's right.
We have our Mai Tais.
Mai Tais.
So you can make these some good drinks. You know we got in our glasses here. The Captain.
Captain Morgan.
Drinks are pretty good. Just want to chill, Don't drink too much.
Nothing
Just
strong.
chill.
Something
real strong.
nice, relaxing. Those are your drinks. I'm telling you.
Good.
And you know what I do a lot? I forget it's 2020. And I'd be like, last year. We did it last year. But it's actually 2 years ago. Because we're in 2020. It's not 2019. We did it in 2018. I always get confused about that. I realize we're in the 2020. I do it at work too. I still put 2019. I'm
Also had
like,
to take it to our spot on the north side after the game. We went to this pizza spot here.
Pepinos.
All
Shout out to
spices for
Pepinos
$1.
too.
Big shout out to Pepinos. Pizza good. You get it for $1. You
Only.
gotta work for the city though.
Mm-hmm.
Where you go get a slice of pizza for $1? All different flavors, not just cheese pizza.
Because
You
I
get
got
all
the
flavors.
vegetarian. And what did you get? The buffalo style or something like that. Buffalo wing pizza.
What was it, $2.78 a slice?
Mm-hmm.
And I said, wait, y'all don't do the $1 slice during the week? She said, yeah, but you gotta work for the city, get it for $1. So hold up. I took out that ID, bam. Nothing like saving money. You hear me?
That's what it's all about, saving. I'm telling you.
Good.
That way you save on the small things. Then when big things come, you can do it.
You know?
So, that's why I coupon. But I coupon at Walgreens. I used to coupon at Rite Aid. But Rite Aid is turning to Walgreens now. So I coupon there. I coupon at Dollar General. That's my favorite to coupon. Because you get some good deals. And you come out the store paying like $5 or $6 and you got a whole basket full of stuff. Family Dollar is good too. When they have their 5 off 25. That's when you gotta do it. Chicken is good. The chicken is good though. We told them we were gonna shout them out today. Shout out to Midway.
Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Share everywhere.
We appreciate it.
We were hungry too.
Oh, we ate today was at
Pizza. And we had that at what, about 11:30?
11:30.
Lunchtime. And that's all we had. Watched the movie last night. Fall from Grace. I think that was the name of it. Fall from Grace. Movie was so good. It was on Netflix. It was a Tyler Perry movie. That movie was good. I'm not giving it away, but that movie was good. If y'all haven't watched it, make sure y'all check it out. It's on Netflix.
How long
Fall
was
from
it?
Grace.
How long was it? Hour and a half?
No, it was like 2 hours.
No.
But it was good, like the whole 2 hours.
Well,
I kept my attention the whole 2 hours.
what's that movie we watched last week? I sounded like that kind of movie, Aquaman.
That was
That
good
movie
too.
was good. I gotta give it to that movie was good. I like that movie.
Did we watch that like a couple weeks ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good too. He doesn't like those action hero movies, but it was good.
Need another drink.
Not sure. I had sweet and sour. Sweet and sour is good.
Well, it's cold up here today. It was hailing
Yeah, it was cold today.
and the wind blowing.
That's why we were like, we had something to eat early. Then we'll be in all day.
Can't complain.
Gotta say thank you to the hubby. He fixed my desk. for my computer to go on. He did that today for me. Shout out to you.
Tired of buying stuff. Don't really come with no directions. Takes a minute to figure this stuff out. Putting this stuff up, it took a minute.
But he did it.
Directions very little.
My stand for my computer.
Thank God for Google.
Yeah.
Had to Google it, how to put it together.
But it really didn't take you that long, though. You did a good job.
Figured it out.
Yeah.
It was long.
Yeah. It wasn't too bad.
But the computer was crazy. When the computer stand together.
Yeah. But I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Thank you, Bill.
When we say we always got a grandkid here, we have two. Those same two. There are two of them here. Apparently they love coming to our house.
Well, I don't know. Because all you do is make them clean.
Oh, yeah, got to
Go
teach me young.
vacuum. Do this, do that.
Clean, vacuum, feed the dog. Oh yeah, we have a dog, a bull mastiff.
Bella.
Call her Bella.
She big.
I call her Big Lazy. We love that dog.
She's spoiled. She's like one of the kids.
And didn't Milway give us a discount? Because he told me he was a YouTuber.
Yep, shout out to them. They did give us a discount.
Got a lot of food. Food upstairs too.
Yeah, we got more food upstairs. Let's go.
I'm going to get up in the morning. I'm going to sleep in late. Chill and relax. Get up and let the dog out.
Tomorrow. Relax, chill day tomorrow.
How much you got left? I only ate a half or so. I still got another half.
That'll be our late night snack.
Watch a late night movie on Netflix.
Yeah.
She was popping.
And a good movie. Because he went to sleep on me last night.
Yep.
I was up late
His brother was tired.
watching a movie. But Fall from Grace.
Fall from Grace.
Very good movie.
Maybe I'll watch it tonight. You'll watch it with me?
I'll watch it again.
No, we got to find a different movie to watch.
Yeah.
You already seen it.
Yeah. We'll find something different.
Them drinks good.
I think I need another seafood boil.
Huh?
I need another seafood boil.
Yeah?
Got taste for crab legs.
You get that. I'll get me a burger or something then. I'll try a nice burger or something from we gotta catch them early though.
From where?
Someone's gonna make a nice big juicy burger.
Yeah, we gotta find somewhere.
You know I can't eat that seafood. You get your broil. I'll find something different to eat.
Because I love crab legs. I can eat.
There'll be something out there I can eat. Besides chicken wings. But
yeah, they probably got something for you. But I'm full.
Yeah.
That was good. Quick little.
Make me another shot. Put about 2 shots in the next glass. So I can feel it and lay back and chill.
The hat is back.
Oh, well, we don't want them to forget to help us out here.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And what?
Thumbs up this video.
What you say? Share.
Everywhere.
You give us thumbs up.
Hey guys.
Of course. Here we go at the end of the video.
We got him all the time.
Yes, here we go at the end of the video.
Yeah.
He always got to come in and say hi.
His grandson.
Make sure y'all step to my grandparent. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so I can get every video that we post.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right.
Listen to our cameraman right here.
That's our cameraman, y'all.
He's our cameraman. That's why he's here. He ain't getting paid.
That's right. Hit that notification bell so every time we drop a video, you guys will be the first ones.
Yes, sir.
To know we dropped a video.
Well.
All right.
It's been real, peeps. We got to go. Until
Cameraman.
next time.
Peace.
Peace.
Hey.